Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Sahla Dzulfika. In here, I want to present our research project about installation and configuration FTP server and client. First, our presentation content includes system analysis, how to set up FTP server, and then how to set up FTP client. What is FTP? FTP is File Transfer Protocol. It's a standard network protocol used for the transfer of files between a client or server on a computer network. FTP is very well and stabilized protocol developed to allow to computer to transfer data over the internet. The purpose of the FTP server is to sharing data between server and client, to provide indirect or remote computer, to provide storage for user, to provide reliable and efficient data transfer. And how FTP works? The FTP client will send message asking the data exchange service on the FTP server. After the FTP client is connected to FTP server, the FTP client can download, upload, and other process in accordance with the permission and access right granted by the FTP server. And in this project, we use two software. There are VCVTPD for FTP server. VCVTPD is the default FTP server for Ubuntu, CentOS, Fedora, Red Hat. This makes it very easy to install compared to ProfPD, but it's not as easy as the configuration file. VCVTPD is also reported be safer. We use FileZilla for FTP client. FileZilla is free open source cross-platform FTP software. Okay, my friend will present more detail how to set up a server and how to set up FTP client.
Hello, my name is Dhiya Zhafirah and I will explain how to set up FTP server in Ubuntu. First, open the terminal and become a super user. And then install VSFTPD using the terminal. And check the VSFTPD status. As we can see, VSFTPD status is running, and then stop the status of VSFTPD. Now we can see VSFTPD is inactive, and then we go to etc. We can see the file of vsftpd.conf. Now we can edit vsftpd.conf. Listen should yes, and we put comment at listen underscore IPv6 yes, and then anonymous enable equals no, and then local underscore enable yes, and then right underscore enable, we clear the command. The next step is to make the D. Start again. After that, open the internet and enter the FTP slash our IP address. Enter the username and password of the Ubuntu. Now it has access to the file on the Ubuntu server. The presentation will be continued with my partner, Ovi, Putri, Annisa, Lubis.
Okay, now I will continue the presentation by presenting the next topic, which is how to set up FTP client with FileZilla. So the first step is you have to download the FileZilla client. If you haven't downloaded the FileZilla client, you guys can download it from Chrome or Firefox or anything. Download FileZilla client and click the top searching information, and then press the download FileZilla client button, which is the green colored button, and open the FileZilla. And we need to connect the FTP to the FileZilla by fill in the host and port row. Here, host and port. And the next step is fill in the username and password section accordance with cPanel hosting. Here, the username and the password. Next is upload the website file to the hosting. And then download the Linux file in the hosting. Here, download it, and then the next step is upload the downloaded file to the local folder. Here, we can upload it here, and then now it has access to the file on the Ubuntu server. Thank you for watching, and for once again, my name is Ovi, Putri, Annisa, Lubis, and the other member is Sahla Dzulfika and Dhiya Zhafirah. We are from group 2 from class 2 CCIT. Thank you.